telling you, put it on.
And I already told you that I won't put it on.
And I'm telling you again, put it on.
And again, I'm telling you again, no!
And I'm telling you, don't argue with me.
Why are you making such a big deal about this hat? Why is she bugging me so much?
My lovely friend, you know perfectly well that she has recently stayed out in the sun for too long and suffered because of it. She loves you, and she doesn't want to see you suffer in the same way.
She stayed out in the sun too long, so why make everyone else suffer? Did you get a look at that hat? It's hideous!
But is it really worth it, fighting over the small stuff?
If that hat is the small stuff, then what would be the big stuff? Oh, great. She's coming back here with that hideous hat!
Do you believe it? She won't listen to me. She doesn't understand that the sun can heat up your head so much that it cooks your brains like a crock pot.
My far-sighted friend, the sun has hid itself behind the clouds, so you can stop worrying about it.
It may be gone now, but it will come out again any minute. It's not a picture. This is reality. See? What did I tell you? I'm telling you, put it on.
No, I won't put it on.
And I'm telling you, put it on.
I won't.
You'll catch a cold, silly girl. This is no joke. This is not small stuff. Look here, if you start walking around without a scarf and you'll get an ear infection, you'll get sick. And it will spread from your ears to your throat. Huh?
It's a tornado! Run for your life!
Oh no! Oh, run from the spitty thing. Rosa! Come on! Get up! We've got to go! Go! Run faster! Faster! Oh no! It's coming!
Huh? Where are we? What happened to us?
Well, considering the fact that we are now right in the eye of the tornado, a place from which no one has ever gotten out alive, thank you very much, we can say with a reasonable amount of certainty that we are currently on our way to the other side.
What does that mean? Are you saying that we're dead? Are you crazy? Why are the two of you both sitting there so calm?
What's the point worrying about it now? I should have worried about it earlier. A hat or a scarf won't protect you from a tornado. Especially when you're in it, my dear.
So then I guess making me wear that silly hat and old-fashioned scarf was just pointless.
No, not pointless. There are precautions to take for every situation. A hat for the sun, a scarf for the wind.
What's the precaution for a tornado?
Once you're already in it, there's nothing that you can do. That's why no one is bothering you anymore, my dear. You are free to do whatever you want.
But I don't want to do what I want to do.
Huh? Well, I guess this is it. This is most unusual.
We are saved!
It has dissolved! The tornado has dissolved! Look! Our valley should be right over that hill there.
Don't step in the puddles. You'll catch a cold.
After all the craziness the three of us just went through, I mean, how can you even care about such small stuff?
But this is not small stuff, my dear. First, you will get your feet cold, and there are lots of nerve endings in the feet, which means that you'll definitely catch a cold and there will be complications. You just don't see the whole picture.
It looks good hanging up. It's too bad I never got a chance to finish it.